Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to fix not working Wi-Fi on the VIVO V60 Lite. So if your Wi-Fi isn't working properly or isn't working at all, there are a few things you can do to help fix that. And the first one would be to just toggle Wi-Fi on and off, and you can do that by just opening up the control panel by scrolling from top to bottom and just tapping on this Wi-Fi icon like this to turn it on and off. Or you can do it through settings by opening up the settings app and then selecting Wi-Fi and just pressing this toggle right here to turn it on and off. So this is the first step, and if this isn't working, we can try the next step, which is to forget and reconnect to the network. So just select the network that you're connected to, tap on it to open up like the network details, and then press forget. So then you can try reconnecting to the network again. You're gonna need the password for that. So if you're reconnected, and you should check now if the Wi-Fi is working. If it's not, you can try the next step, which is to just restart your router and your phone. So you might need to restart the device where the Wi-Fi comes from, so probably a router. And if you don't know how to do it, there should be just a button, or you could just easily unplug it from the outlet and then plug it in again to restart it. But to restart your phone, you just scroll once again from top to bottom to open up the control panel, and then scroll down again to expand it and press this little power button in the bottom right, and then select restart. So now your phone is going to restart, and let's wait for it to do that and check if the Wi-Fi is fixed. So once your phone has restarted and it's loaded in, check if the Wi-Fi works now. And if it works, great, but if it doesn't, we can proceed to the next step, and that would be to check for software updates. So maybe your phone is just on not the latest software, and maybe they have provided a fix for your issue. And to check if a new software update is available, we're going to press settings and then scroll down to system management, or sorry, press on system update, and here's going to check for updates and tell you whether you should update your phone or not. So I am on the latest firmware, and that means that I shouldn't really have anything to update. So right now it's having issues connecting to the server, but I know that I'm on the latest system. Oh, here, as you can see, now it worked. But if it says for you that you need to update it, please do update. So it's going to guide you through the process. Just press the button down here and go through the process. And once you're done, your issue might be fixed. So let's move on to another thing you can do to improve the Wi-Fi connection, and that will be to just reset all of the network settings. So you can reset all of the Wi-Fi settings, so all of the connections, all of the configurations, and everything will be reset to the default state, and that might also help. And to do that, we're going to open up the settings again, scroll down to system management, and then select reset options. And here select reset Wi-Fi, mobile network, and Bluetooth, and then press reset settings. It's going to ask you, are you sure? Press reset settings again, and your settings will be reset, and your phone will restart, and only the Wi-Fi settings will be reset, nothing else on your phone. So if you're scared that it will erase everything on your phone, it won't. It will just reset the Wi-Fi network settings if you've selected that option. And once it's done, once it's reset, connect to the Wi-Fi network again to check if it works. And that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.